Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to stop Windows 11 from saving or uploading your files to OneDrive. To do this, first, open the search menu. Here, type OneDrive and hit enter. This will open the OneDrive folder on your PC. Minimize it. Now, click the OneDrive icon on the taskbar. If you don't see it here, click this tiny arrow here. Once you click the OneDrive icon, click this gear icon. Now, select Settings. In the OneDrive window, go ahead and turn off this Save Photos and Videos to OneDrive toggle. Similarly, disable this toggle for Screenshot. Now, click this Manage Backup option here. Here, go ahead and turn off all the toggles. Finally, click the Save Changes button. To completely disable OneDrive, you can also go to the Account tab. Here, you can select the Unlink this PC option to remove your OneDrive account from Windows entirely. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.